Okay, halfway point barbecue. Oh my god, if they must be close to around here by now.
What is faster, the tube or parkour?
Oh, we could just like hold up the doors a little bit.
That's barbecue station. We're halfway. Let's go.
Okay, the final straight. Callum, it could just happen that they're not going to get on the tube.
Yeah, what happens if they're just not there?
I mean, that is a very strong possibility. Are they actually going to be there though? I don't know. Any signs. Come on boys, come on boys. Okay, where are they?
No fucking way!
No, you made it!
Can you believe that?
Wow. What are you going to say to that? That's hot.
That's good effort, mate.
Yeah,
Absolutely good effort.